Oh, Father. Father, thank you so much for coming.
How is he doing? We came as soon as we could.
My girl, you look good.
It's worse. Go.
As I feared, we need to get right to work. This is my apprentice.
Oh.
My sister is this demon.
We can't just stay with her.
Oh, God. It's been horrible. He's been saying these weird things.
Like
Pai Tai Poom Poom. Girl, I don't know what that means. And he's been doing these weird things. Like, I don't know what this is. Horrible. Please help me.
Don't worry, I need to console her while I take care of this demon. Take us to the room.
Yo, let's come follow.
Yeah, show us.
Show me. You know, people.
Alright.
Demonic things, you know.
Oh, you
Not a Ross. Not a Ross. We are fine up with this.
No, I begged you guys!
Ross can't kill us.
Come back!
We have to, come on, we have to do it.
Come.
Bring the holy water, I'm gonna need the extra stuff, let's go. Get the damn hammer. Let's go.
Bonus, please.
What's your
Bonus
name?
ganja in.
Get him!
Where is that?
Shalom Alaikum!
What?
Shalom Alaikum!
Shamalika, your girl.
I did that last night, though.
I don't even talk to him.
I didn't even talk to you.
I don't even talk. Pass the blood clot holy water upon him, blood. Let me read like a big Jamaican style upon him. Blood. Like a big. Let's go. Blood. Come on, demon. Come on, demon. Come on, demon. Come on. Come on, demon. Come on, demon. Come on. This isn't working.
Yeah.
This isn't working.
It's not. It's not working.
This not working.
You guys done?